If you want to add background to photos, you don't need to become a Photoshop expert. You don't need any Photoshop or any kind of software. What you need is just a basic PC with Microsoft PowerPoint in it. Hello everyone. Welcome back with a new video. This video is part of my how-to series, and if you don't know what is how-to series, so just go to my channel playlist and you will get the answer. So first of all, if this is your first time here, then kindly subscribe to my channel so you will get all tutorial, informative, motivational and educational related video. I hope every one of you have PC in your home, so I find a very easy method to change background of your picture in PowerPoint. Without wasting any time, let's go. Now I just choose the PowerPoint slide and I will make it a blank slide. The next thing is to insert your picture that you want to change the background of it. I will choose it from my desktop. Now arrange this according to your slide area. And I will go to remove background and then crop it to my required level. Now I will keep all the changes and look at that. This is so perfect picture with no background. So now you can set your background according to your own desire. I will go to format picture with gradient fill and change the background color. I think this is okay now. Now this is for what if you want to have a background with solid color, but if you want a custom background, so just undo everything and now make a copy of this picture and open a new slide. Now I choose just a background with a picture that I want to put behind this photo. I just download this picture from stock free photos, and this man is also from stock free photos website. I will paste this picture and you can move freely around wherever you want to put it. Now look at that. This is, I think, perfect. Now this is all for today. Thank you for watching this video and kindly subscribe to my channel.